So everything is okay now. I'm going to shut it down and put all the screws back panel. So in this way you can repair a laptop very easily. It's not very tough task, but you need to practice a little more so that you can work properly. And while doing any work on laptop, you have to take care and you have to take all the time so that you're not gonna miss anything or not gonna damage anything. It is very breakable type of components are used in laptops, so if you apply more pressure or more force, then it may go and break. So better not to apply many force, but apply your brain. So this is the process of assemble, disassemble and repairing of laptop. If you keep all these things in your mind, then you are going to repair laptop just by watching this video for few times. So assembly and disassembling laptop is not a very big and tough task. You can do it by watching my video, 3-4 videos. So practice more, watch this video many times and be a good laptop technician. In order to repair the board, you must watch some more videos which I am going to upload in upcoming series. So if you want to be a laptop technician, or if you are a general purpose person and you need to replace any parts of your laptop, then you just need one tool. This is the screw. Buy a screwdriver, it costs 50 to 100 rupees only, and after using this screwdriver you can replace all the parts of your laptop. So you need to just watch this video very carefully and function properly, so that you're not going to damage any part of your laptop. So now I'm putting all the screws back. And one tip for you guys, the easiest laptop to assemble and disassemble is the Dell. So, and I think Dell is the one of the best laptop. It has very less problems compared to other laptop, and it is very easy assembled and disassembled. So in case of fault, you can repair it by yourself as well. If there is fault in motherboard, then you have to go to the technician or watch my later videos to get knowledge about board. But repairing board is not so easy task, because it requires some more tools and equipments for testing. So guys, card level repairing is not so tough. If you want to earn some money, if you have a shop, if you are a technical person or a general person and want to save your money or earn money just by repairing basic problems in a laptop, then you can do it by watching my 3-4 videos. So guys, this was the process through which you can repair a laptop very easily. And now repair is done. I have replaced this part. This part is hinge of laptop. It was broken from here. I have replaced this part, and now the laptop is fit and fine. You can see it's working properly. So thanks for watching. See you, bye bye, see you in next video. be a good technician. Thank you. Subscribe the channel and like the video and share the video with your friends. I think this video will help a lot more people. So thank you. See you. Bye bye.